Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
So vlog real.
Look how clear my skin is.
See what I'm saying?
Wear your shirt, backwards.
Yeah, see me that try to escape a while ago. So I'm at thing vlog world. We shoot up a bag of content for you know. Me not think me vlog as much, but shit. We catch
Hey,
it up.
Bobby, you have to watch the vlogs. Watch the vlogs, Bobby. I'm telling you must laugh.
I'm at thing, you know.
We kid our mother, so we started. You know the vibe, We're outside in Florida, you know. Good vibe today. We just mash up. How much work we do? No.
5 videos.
One heap of something.
One
So
heap
just
of video,
stay
more
tuned
than
and
5.
go and watch up. You know?
I'm at
Florida,
you know?
See how we have done it, shot, brother.
Yeah, see, man, you have to put them on wrong. You may have to put it on wrong face escape a while ago.
After you
Psycho
fall,
bunny.
you're there with my woman. You see, I'm there, I'm
Gone
there,
in
a
prison
friend.
25 years.
Boy, if you know, so you look after my woman and my pick me brother.
You never tell us that me I'm in a friend.
So you give him the crutches for what?
You man,
You don't know him.
He said he's gonna look after me.
You have to earn it, we say.
Yeah, but now my friend.
Yeah, take that. Yeah, take that.
It's all good, cause you are going, man, I know him long time, we not fight over no girl.
No
You
time.
see, just have to go get a new girl. What's your friend name?
Excuse me?
Give me a friend.
Yes.
Right?
Go on.
You give me a friend, you know, say, give me your friend. Your friend look better still. No, look nice still.
That's not gonna work.
You know, I like thick girl, but I love the slim as them, like the easy. So give me a friend, call your friend, give me a number. You can't, you got jail, you're there with my friend.
Yeah.
You know, I'll keep my friend over you.
I thought me is dishwashing. The sink want to be fixed and I did the fix the sink.
I don't do this.
And he was
I don't do this shit.
fixing the sink, that's all.
So
Yo.
yeah, man, I'm at thing.
Don't fight your friend over brother. Let's look at you, girl.
That's how life go, you see.
See, take me, I said, go alive.
Yeah, man, so you're going in the vlog, right? Well, we're not in the vlog yet, so we're cut from here, so go on.
I got-
Stay tuned.
Yes, I am.
I'm mad up on yourself and do it for your vlog.
Wicked and mad.
So we start it, bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. Pissed off, I'm not lie. No, I'm not call Dino or Valdo them yet. Only somebody call her Delhi. Yesterday, me have a productive day. I actually wake up early, do what me have to do. Go see Valdo and Dino them and Delhi. We vlog. We make a couple comedy video for 4 or 3. In the midst of we are making the video them, you know me I vlog with my phone, right? While a video, when I dog them said to me, yo dog, the phone full. In a spare moment, you know. I said my phone full. Anyway, I remember, through me I vlog with it, me have backup video in it from couple vlogs ago I never delete. Where a 2-3 minute long and them thing there. When I see my faces, I can't even sleep really. I'm vexed. I'm really vexed. So, me now, when they give me my phone and say my phone full, me I say, alright, let me slap with them video quick. Which, at the old vlog, them I think I slap with. While I delete them, it look like me click the whole of them one time and click delete. Now, me don't know me not delete, me recent delete in a while. So, I know my recent delete part in the phone full. Me delete the recent delete. Now recent delete are the part where you can go back when you delete something. If you delete that, it gone. Me just know that now. You see me? Upon the way I drive back after we done shoot and everything, we make the last vlog. We not go see the last piece of the video in our first other video. We make a last piece of vlog when we end and I tell everybody say, go close the video. Mad up on yourself, my boat for cut. Tell me why when me a drive I fucking come back at my yard and I say, yo, I'm post on a video them what I do today. The video them gone, dog. It's when me a drive, me stop instantly, me like, boom, buckler. Tell me say I know a video me delete. Cause when the dog tell me say my phone full and me delete the video them, it delete all and then I'm going to recently deleted and it delete that too. Me I say fuck, what the fuck me for do? Me dey on YouTube a search from reach home till now, me dey on YouTube a search. Me download a whole heap of different fucking app. None of them no work. I download app, I restart my phone, I set my phone for sync with iCloud, all of that shit. Today me I got Apple, you know. Me I got Apple today. Me don't know if them can do it. Me I call them first before me go. But me I got Apple today. My vex dog, cause Friday today, which is Friday, I feel like I should have lit with Dino, Valdo and Deli and me. I mean I tell them I prepare and plan up for everything. And not fall through. No, me don't know what the fuck to do. Oh, I see it do, that me know. Cause I'm not sleep really. I'm sick now. Dog, I just feel like me waste my fucking time, dog. I'm vexed, you know, dog. Cause I don't understand, you know. Them video they when me do, me know if you fuck them with that. One of them would go viral at least. Me never hype up myself and say all of them will go viral. But me know the first one we shoot, I go viral. And me miss that file I get deleted. So only one file me have on my phone. And me two of my pissed off. Me never really want to post one file me have on my phone. Yeah, I don't understand, bro. And I fired man them the day when me that go yesterday, you know. Me carry no drink water, I guess it drink it fat. My vex a fuck dog. Vex a fuck dog. This week was so productive for me. Me get a lot done, shoot a lot of content, you know, make a lot of links. And I go say today was the day me I drop some banger. Banger end up no drop today, dog. No vex, man. Vex, bro. Can't make it go so, dog. Me never do that yet, you know. Why now me choose to do that? Why? Also important baby video and video killer when me not post and vlog was supposed to save them upon our drive still, you know. But Apple a fuck up, dog. I know what I mean, cause all my phone for tell me say it full. My phone not for tell me say it full, you know. Three type of work what me do, you know. Man, me have to hurt me, dog. Today me never that go give you no vlog. To be honest with you, know. We really never did that plan for giving no vlog, but me, this not sit right with me, dog. It not sit right with me, because I'm still a figure out how the fuck me do that. Me never call the man and tell them. Me never call Dino and Valdo yesterday. Me know Deli probably call him and tell him. Because I tell Deli yesterday while our driver come home. Just see like me waste yesterday, dog. I don't even know, dog. Me I try get back them video, dog. Apple go tell me say me can't get it back, but me I go try, bro. Me I go try. The amount of fucking software me download on my laptop between last night and this morning. So all freakish something up on my phone, me have to go swipe off back my phone again. Me vex, man. Yo. The only solution is figure Apple. I mean, I think they can help me. And somehow I got talk about check the recent delete. Listen, you know, in there. Last night me even post my Instagram. If anybody know if you find video from out a recent delete, someone still write me back. Check the recent delete file. Like on no sense. If me write in my post, see my post here when me write, you know. Me tell you if anybody know, me never remember when me write, but see the write this one. Someone now go write me and I tell me check the recent delete. Like you know see me say the video from out a recent delete. Why that shit a piss me off, dog. So now, I don't know if I have enough footage. I make uno know how I go on, because I do this daily vlog thing and I don't really want to fuck up. The vlog will probably not be as much exciting as I want it. I kind of really pissed off and it kill my motivation and thing when I have to go right now. You see me? I don't lie to you. It make me not want to do nothing now. And the man left today. I know someone not go right. Why you not go shoot back the video with them? Them are left today. They left yesterday. Deli there, up in our West Palm. But me just vex, bro. Vex really. Vex. I don't want to do no vlog or nothing, but the devil chung me, I tell you, bro. Me I beg you, anyone I know see this in the morning here when me drop it. When me drop that vlog here, I want to can find a way if you find it. Make me know, please. Do not tell me check recent delete. It not in there. It not in a me delete folder, it gone. And that me want to find back. When me make it gone completely, tell me how to get it back. Again, it though in a me recently deleted. Me deleted it from out there so now more I get it back on my phone. iCloud I go on with some bag of fuckery. All iCloud are one next pussy cloud thing. Me a cuss bad word, sorry I'm a vex. Oh me a pay for fucking iCloud space and not no uploading on my iCloud. Me just a pay for the gig wedding when me pay for and nothing in there. Apply thief. I been no still. Me shouldn't even have cuss on apply thief. Yo, for real, if you can help me solve a problem here, anybody, just let me know, please. Anybody can help me with finding back how to get them video there when I delete off of my phone, please help me. You can leave in the comment section and delete, DM me, you see me? Me like chat fuck with the pussy cloud. I want back them video there, dog. But me gonna end the vlog here, so, and if anyone around can help me, I really appreciate it. Help me find back them video there. Me hurt, bro. That kill me drive for one do not know today, dog. Me go Apple store today. Me still have to go Apple store, you know, but I go call him. I go Apple store and tell him to take this thing off of my phone. Cause I don't understand how me I pay for something and it not work. No, man. I'm going to end the vlog here, so, on a bad note, because today not going to go good for me. I can tell. I'm up on myself. I'm sorry for that vlog here, but I blame myself for delete them video, dog.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.